Two friends started a school for daughters of sex workers. Today, 80% of those girls are in college.
My earliest memories of growing up is in a brothel of Kamatpuram. I carried a lot of shame for a really long time. Today I'm a teacher, so others, girls like me who are daughters of sex workers, can grow into confident leaders and choose their own future.
Tara Shweta is a true force for good hero, brought to you by the Better India and the Aditya Birla Group. Back in 2008, Robin Chaurasia was volunteering in Mumbai. What she saw wasn't just poverty, it was stigma, girls denied schools, families denied dignity, and women being rescued only to return to the same brothels because they were daughters of sex workers. Robin realized this system wasn't working. So in 2010, she co-founded Kranti with her friend Bani, not as a shelter, but as a space where girls could rebuild their lives and learn to lead them. But the path wasn't easy. There was stigma. Landlords refused to rent to them. Schools refused to admit the girls, and the system kept pushing them back.
You know, when growing up, I never questioned why this is happening with me, why am I not receiving certain opportunities, why the teachers are not showing up, but I'm not learning anything. I simply accepted because nobody taught me about my rights, mera hak.
But Kranti kept going, and things began to shift. Girls were given time to heal, to question, to choose their futures. Daughters of sex workers, once denied classrooms, now have performed plays for over 1 lakh people. 80% are pursuing higher education. 5 have earned master's degrees. Today, 30 girls live and learn together. And many return as leaders, like Tara Shweta. Bullied for where she lived, silenced in classrooms, today she stands as a teacher, helping others find their voice. Robin didn't build a rescue system. She built a space where girls could make their own choices. And that changed what was possible for them.
The kind of the norms and the conditioning of society, and give opportunities to the girls who've seen the worst and show the world that they can still become much better leaders than others can.